Good morning, student. Today we will start and continue our chapter as chapter 4 an introduction to industry. Now, student, we are on page number 46 here small scale industry and large scale industry. In a small scale industry, it is a small business started with a small sum of money. It is usually owned and managed by a few individuals. But individuals means personal and owned. It means vyaktigat. It produces goods without machines or with very simple machines. It employs only a few workers. It earns less money compared to a large scale industry. Examples: paper bag making unit, a bakery, brick making industry. Student, in large scale industry, it is a large business started with a large amount of money running to crore of rupees. It produces goods using big, expensive, and complex machines. So, student, here complex means complicated and sophisticated. This means jatil. It employs thousands of people. Now, student, we are on page number 47. It earns more money when compared to a small scale industry. Examples: tea industry, textile industry, automobile industry, etc. So, students, clear small scale industry and large scale industry. So, what is the difference of them? Small scale industry, small businesses started with a small sum of money, while large scale industry, it is a large business started with a large amount of money running to crore of rupees. Now, page number 47, service industry. Service industry in Hindi version is Seva Udyog. The service industry provides a service in exchange for money. For example, restaurants belongs to the service industry. We pay for the food we eat in restaurant. So, student, here is a pack 4.4. What services do each of these people offer? First, teacher. Second, tourist guide. And third is doctor. So, write it few lines here. First point is teacher. So, teacher teaches it and help students gain knowledge. While a tourist guide helps tourists around places of interest. Doctor, a doctor treats sickness and injuries. Clear, student? It is the 4.447 page number. Now then we are go on 48 page number. Industries are important to us because they provide jobs for people to take care of their families. They produce a variety of products that we use in our daily lives. They provide various services that make our lives easier. They sell their product and services to other countries, which brings money into our country. Now then, 4.5 Pep is here. List 5 objects that you use in your daily life. Find out and write the name of the industry that makes each of them. One is done for you. Now, A, cloth textile industry. Clear, student? Read. List 5 objects that you use in your daily life. Find out and write the name of the industry that makes each of them. One is done for you. A, cloth textile industry. So, write same. Food, agriculture, fertilizer industry. C, petroleum industry. Face powder, cosmetics and industry. Spectacles, eyeglass industry. Notebook, paper industry. Name a service that you use recently. Any service. What industry does this service belongs to? So write it here. Name a service that you use recently and what industry does the service belongs to. Now, student, here we talking about the 4.5 PEP is here. List 5 objects that you use in your daily life. Find out and write the name of the industry that makes each of them. One is done for you. Clear it? Okay. After that, industries are classified as manufacturing industries and service industries. Our day-to-day activities depend on both these industries. Now, after that, we are going on page number 49. Things I have learned. Complete the mind map. Here is industry, it divide into two parts. First, write it down, service industry, and second is manufacturing industry. After that, arrow is here below to service industry. Examples: restaurant, hotel, beauty salon, and etc. According to you. Manufacturing industry, first point, small scale industry, large scale industry also there. In small scale industry, examples: bricks making industry, and in large scale industry, example is tea industry. Clear, student? Okay, thank you so much.